warm colours, good vibes. So we're just gonna make some little small dumplings to go. Yes, everybody, wagwan, we're here again, we're in the kitchen. It's an amazing moment just to be in the kitchen, just to be with you guys again. So on the menu today I got lamb chops, pimento seed, boiling pan of hot water, and I've got garlic here, which I'm just gonna put a bit of garlic, a bit of all-purpose seasoning, that's it. And I'm just gonna marinate this inside together and rubbing my lamb chops, everybody. You know, today we're getting right into it, people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's a lamb chops moment, everyone, yeah? So the first stage of what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting in a shallow pot of water. I'll be putting my lamb chops in with the pimento seed, and I'll be letting this boil, everyone, for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'll be starting my next process, which I'll be popping them underneath the oven, people. Yeah, but I'm going to show you the style after they come out of the water and all seasoned up. So what I'm going to be doing in the process is adding a little bit of raw garlic and a bit of scallion and also a bit of ginger, and that's what I'm going to add to the water to just be infusing the flavours until we get onto stage 2, everyone. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We're there. Bless up, everybody. Yes, everybody, look at that. The smoke is coming from our pot today, people. Look what I'm going inside. Yeah, man. So what I've done, I've added a little bit of lamb seasoning, a bit of jerk seasoning as well, and I've also added a bit of parsley, dry parsley as well, everybody. So what's going to be happening today, people? I'm just letting this boil and marinate in all the seasoning and everything that I've put it in with the garlic and everything, people. I'm just going to drop a bit more garlic in there as well. I'm going to chop a bit of thyme and put a bit of ginger in there as well, everyone. Yeah, man. So today we're going to be making a jerk lamb chops done underneath the oven. The oven is warming up and getting hot, ready. All right, people. So yeah, man, these are good vibes. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And where's all my lamb lovers, all my chops lovers, all my jerk fans, people? This one is a different one. Jerk lamb chops, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Look at that, the garlic is on top. You can see the garlic, you can see the scotch bonnet pepper, bust it as well. Yeah, man, it's a spicy jerk lamb chops, people. Are good vibes. So this one's a special, everyone. So what I'm going to be using today as well, I'm going to be using the plain flour, because I'm going to be making some dumpling. But guess what kind of dumpling I'm making today, people? I'm making jerk dumpling. Yeah, man, because I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do these jerk dumpling, people. So a jerk dumpling I've gone today, people. Yeah, good vibes. Everyone, so what I'm doing, I'm gonna be adding corn into here, because what's gonna happen now is after I take out the lamb chops, we're just gonna have a vibe with the corn, people, yeah. And guess what I'm gonna be making today as well, everyone? So I'm gonna add the corn in. This one here is a bit big, so I'm gonna cut this one here in half. So guess what I'm going to be making today, people, yeah? So we've got plain flour. So I'm going to be making some jerk dumpling, because obviously we've got the duns with a jerk seasoning. We're also using the Jamaica Valley jerk seasoning as well, people, yeah? And it's a good vibe. So what we're doing we're gonna make the dumpling and add a little bit of, normally we put salt, but we're gonna put a little bit of Jamaica Valley jerk seasoning. And then what we're gonna do, you see with the water, so normally when you're making dumpling, you use plain water. So what I'm gonna do with the water, people, is a look a bit different. I'm gonna put the jerk sauce inside of the water just to infuse the water, people, yeah, so that we can get an all-round vibes going in today with our dumpling. So I've added a bit of all-purpose seasoning as well. So we're turning up the dumpling today, people. It's not a normal dumpling. We're having a jerk boiled dumpling, people, yeah. So we're having jerk lamb chops with jerk boiled dumpling, people, yeah. And we're also gonna, at the end of it, we're gonna make some sweet potato fries to just top it off the golden meal. Good vibes. Make sure you stay tuned, people. Lock in. Don't forget to subscribe. We're there. So just adding a bit of water. So just add my water to my flour, mix it round. As you can see, the dynamics of the color of the flour is not your pure white anymore. It's a bit, it's changed, transformed colors. Good vibes. So we're just gonna make some little small dumplings to go in there. Yeah, man. Good vibes, everyone. Yeah, good vibes. So look, dumplings been made. Yeah, look at that. The corn's in there. So I'm gonna make some dumplings now and put them inside the pot and make that go and boil in the water. And in about 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna take out the lamb chops and then pop them underneath the oven and go to stage 2. We're there outside. Yes, everyone, come and have a look. So the last dumpling's getting put into the pot. So that's the vibes there, look. So the dumpling them are in there. They're going to be transforming and enhancing, infused with the flavour of the jerk, what's going on, people, and the lamb chops that's been boiled up in there, and the corn and the cob that's been boiled up in there, and that's going to be like a little broth later on down to serve up. So I'm just going to let this boil. Look at this. Look at these succulent lamb chops, people. The flavour that's coming from these. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So these are going in the oven in a minute. So already infused with the flavour now. So just a couple more minutes and we're good to go, people. Yes, everyone. So what's happening now? I've taken the lamb chops out of the pot and we're just leaving the dumpling and the corn in there to just go and boil nice and slowly. Yeah, man, people. And then oven time. So the oven's been preparing and getting hot for us, everyone. So we're going to use a temperature today of about 150 degrees, people, yeah? We're not going to have it too piping hot on a 250. We're going to just let it slow cook so that we can get the transformation of the lamb chops to get to a golden colour that we're looking for. But what I'm going to do right now is just add the last finishing touch to the lamb chops, people. So I've got my jerk sauce, my jerk paste there, which I'm just gonna be adding a bit and just get it in. Just get that in. And what I'm gonna be adding as well, to get a little bit of hands-on, just to get that jerk flavour into the lamb chops, everybody. See them want to run away. I'm have to capture it because I'm not joke thing in the kitchen now. They know what's going on for them right now. So look. So this now is gonna wait to go in the oven. So that's gonna rest for a little while. Rinse off my hands then. Yes, people, it's a good vibe, man. A good vibe. So look at them dumpling here. Them dumpling here just go on, like, just go on cook nice and slowly. I'm gonna cover back up the pan. I'm gonna cut up some carrots in there, and I'm gonna put some scallion in there, and that's gonna be like the finishing body for the meal today, people. So with the oven now, what we need to do, we need to grease. Look, you can see how hot that is. We just need to grease the pan of our oven tray that we're using, which is just a little bit of grease. That's it. It's a tiny little bit of grease and we're good. So we just make it just run around so that it's covering the whole surface of the tray, everyone. Because the pan's already hot, you can put your lamb chops on straight away. And as I can feel them, I can feel the tenderness on them already, because they've got that first set of boiling, people. So yeah man, good vibes. I've got a bit of sauce here, which I'm just going to be coating as I go along, people, throughout the whole process. Yeah man. So in the oven, let's set a timer now. So we have a timer now, so we're going to put the timer on half an hour at 150 degrees, and then I'm going to give it a next 15 minutes at a little bit of higher temperature, people, to just coating off at the end, people. So yeah man, good vibes. We're there, outside. Yes everyone, so what I'm doing right now, I'm just frying the sweet potato fries. I've added some fresh garlic pods in the oil as well, people. I've already fried up the plantain. Oh, this one here, you know, I'm going on the oil. You have to go in a virgin. You have to go in. Yeah man, I've got vibes. Alright people, a piece of sweet potato fry that I chop up, coming like it slip and jump in here, you know, with the plant in them. But a good vibes. Have a look here everyone. Woo! Jerk dumpling, steam. Jerk dumpling, people, and corn on the cob, and potatoes, carrots, everything in there. Good vibes. So look at this. The oven's soon done, you know. Yeah man. Woo! Just what we're looking for, everyone. That brown golden coating on the sweet potato fries. Yeah man, look at that. The oil's just sizzling away. Yeah man, good vibes everybody. Yeah, if you like what you see, people, just comment, like, and what? Subscribe man. Good vibes people. We're outside. Yes everyone, we're at completion now. Have a look on the table. You can see the whole setup, what's happening. So let's just get our trophy out of the oven and place that up there. Yes everyone, so yeah man, we're there right now everyone. So everything's at completion right now. So I'm just gonna release this. Have a look. Whoosh. So we've got our lamb chops there, everybody. So we're just ready to start serving up. So what I'm gonna do is just show you, because we're ready. Come and have a look, because we've got our broth now. So we're going to get involved into our broth. So we've got dumpling, we have corn on the cob, everything going in there, people. So our good vibes. So this is the actual filler for our meal today.
No, that smells mad.
It smells mad, Greg.
That smells. I can't put my finger in it.
So we've got our jerk dumpling, jerk lamb chops, everybody. of our chops, a little bit of sauce. Just a second, because you know that we just have to get it all right, everybody. So you know, it's our good vibes.
Take a look at that, please.
Yes, everyone, as you can see, we're at completion now. You can look at the range of food that we have here. We have the kiwi, we have the passion fruit served with the plantain. We also have the lamb chops, and we also got our vegetable tomatoes served also with the passion fruit. Again, we've got the sweet potato fries sprinkled with a little bit of garlic, everybody, while it was frying, and also with a passion fruit and a kiwi. And then we've also got the jerk dumpling, which is the jerk dumpling here. We've got our potatoes in there as well, people, carrots, corn in the cob, also served with a passion fruit, everybody. So our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, people, you know what I'm saying? We're there, we're outside, do the right thing, people, yeah, and subscribe, share the channel. We're in season 5, outside.